channel with me, Uswatun Hasanah,
And me, Rahma.
and me, Anindya Latifah. Hello guys, welcome back to our video. We are
And
the
Village Jaringao. And we are gonna explore the place.
And without any further ado, let's go to the video.
The first thing we see a very amazing natural scenery. Because we come at the time of Zuhur, we immediately look for a place to rest to carry out prayers. The place is very spacious and comfortable to rest and worship. We prepared the equipment for shooting.
There are some spots that you can see. You can standing at there. There is a I love you spot, air balloon spot, and any small building for your rest and you're talking with your family and friends. So you can take a picture from every spot you can want. Could also sit relaxing the beautiful sky. You can see the beautiful scenery at there.
So guys, there's a very large dragon fruit orchard down here, decorated with heart-shaped decorations, which adds to the beautiful scenery here. Usually there's a horse that takes us around this garden. Just hopefully the horse doesn't get tired. Let's take a walk, guys.
Let's go. So we are refreshed at Jaringao.
And the price is just 1,000 rupiah. So, per person. So guys,
Are you tired?
I'm so tired.
Not speaking.
Yeah, I'm so confused. Ah.
How about this area?
I think this is a large area,
Beautiful.
full of dragon fruit, peaceful,
Peaceful. Cool.
but it's hot too.
Because
Any
it's evening.
Oh, I don't know because it's Monday,
Monday.
because it is Monday, so feel so hot.
Not many people in here.
And visit this area.
Yeah, and have the free area to like we our own garden.
Hi, any children?
Oh my god.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Rahma. What's your
Hi,
name?
come on here.
What's your name? Hi, my name is Rahma.
Oh my god. Hey. What's up?
I'm very
Thirsty.
hungry.
If you're hungry, just eat, don't drink. Oh my god. She's thirsty.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah.
She's so take a bottle so big, you know.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Come on.
Oh, okay, let's go. Let's take photo.
Hello guys.
Hi guys. We meet our friends. Hi, say hi guys. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Finally, thanks for watching our video.
Don't forget for like, subscribe, and share
This video.
So guys, thank you. See you next time and bye bye.